So I have here Ruben Kubiak from the European Commission and Niels Bitsup from Grundfos, and we had this very interesting discussion on the success story of circulators. What would you say, Niels, would you say that both the labeling and the eco-design did help you in the development of more efficient circulators?
Yes, certainly. Both the A2G labeling and the eco-design requirements have contributed to the innovation of more and more high-efficient circulators, and have in that way contributed to this market transformation we have seen and will see in the coming years to the eco-design requirements. So certainly, I would say yes.
But do you think that there are, Ruben, any particular aspect, because I think the circulator is maybe one of your best success stories in your regulation package, or do you have other similar success stories?
They are unique in their way, yes, but I think we have quite a bunch of success stories. Even if you go for lighting, I think even lighting is a story of success. Here we can clearly see focus on more efficient products and development in more efficient products, mainly LEDs, but also a bit of CFLs and halogens. So circulators, it's a very good example, yes, but I think overall we have a bunch of stories of success.
I think there's one interesting aspect in the circulator regulations now, that the labeling disappears because all circulators are so good, but still you saw a reason to continue innovating and putting more efficient circulators out on the market after the already very stringent eco-design regulation was implemented. Why? What is your driver? Why do you see a reason to go even beyond the regulation, the benchmark now?
Circulator is it's a very important factor for circulators, energy efficiency. So to be the best, the most efficient circulator is a driving factor. And of course, labeling is one way to tell it, an easy way also for the installers. In the end, that was easier to use a label for that matter. But the EEI has now been part of a kind of label which can also show that you're talking about a very efficient circulator. So this is one way we have used these different tiers. Yeah.
What would you like to see from the Commission in the next phase, when now it's quite new, but let's look 5 years ahead? What would you like to see happening in terms of initiatives from the Commission?
This is no doubt what we call it in the industry extended product approach, because what we have seen the success for circulators, we can see that can happen also for a lot of other pump types, and we are just in the very early phase of this to happen. So this will be very exciting, and we would like the Commission to support the industry on that.
And from the Commission, what would your well, Christmas just passed, but what would you like to see coming in initiatives from industry or from other parties to help you in your work?
Actually, the circulator and pump industry is a very good example, and we believe the extended product approach is a very good approach, because we are always talking about function. We try not to talk about products, but about function, and how we can improve a product providing this function. Now, with the extended product approach, we are not only looking at a single thing, but at the whole system. So if you have two components, they might be very efficient on its own, but if you put them together, not very efficient, and therefore it is a very good approach, and we are supporting this way. And if I would think about like a Christmas present, actually it would be to have industries like the circulator and water pump industry, which helps us in a very productive way, and which they did, I think, very, very soon in the process. They realized that this is a win-win situation for us all, that the Commission gets its aims, its goals, which is energy efficiency, but also the industry gets something from it, and it would be very good if other industries would realize that as well.
Okay, thank you very much. And this leads us to just concluding that we are hoping we will be able to sub a similar seminar shortly on exactly extended product approach. So thank you very much, and welcome back.